Okay, boys and girls, welcome back. It's Miss Pridmore, and we're here with the second grade Eureka Math, Module 7, Lesson 12. Let's get started with our application problem. It says, Richie has 24 cents. How much more money does he need to make $1? Well, we can do that a few ways, can't we? We know that how much more is a really good indicator that we could do a subtraction problem, right? Now, there's another way that we practiced yesterday to find out how much more money we need from one number to the next, and that was arrow way. Do you remember that? So let's go ahead and use arrow way since that will take care of drawing our picture, okay? So Richie has 24 cents. How many cents are we going to need to get to? Well, if you look here, it says $1, but we know that $1 is 100 cents, correct? Okay, so we're at 24 cents and we need to get to 100. The first thing I'm going to do is add my 1. And if you were following along yesterday, you'll know why. If I add 1 to 24, it's going to give me 25. And remember the quarter trick that Miss Pridmore has been talking to you about. 4 quarters makes $1. Okay, now this is not part of the problem up here, but it does help me to have a visual to remind myself that 1 quarter is 25, 2 is going to give me 50, 3 is going to give me 75, and 4 quarters is going to give me 100 cents, right? So where am I at right now, guys? Right, I'm at 1 quarter. So how many more do I need to add? Yeah, I need to add 3 quarters or 75 cents. Well, let's just say that we're having a hard time figuring all this out. Like maybe this is confusing for you. Miss Pridmore is going to erase this part, okay? But I want you to keep in mind that quarters go 25, 50, 75, 100. Let's say it together, okay? While I'm erasing, you say it with me. 25, 50, 75, 100. Say it again. 25, 50, 75, 100. Okay, I'm going to write that at the top of my page, but it's not part of this problem, okay? So I'm going to write 25, 50, 75, 100. That's just for me to remember, okay? So what do I need to add to 25? Well, if I add another quarter, which would be 25 cents, I'm at 25. If I add another quarter, what will that give me? Right, it's going to give me 50 cents, right? Now, if I add another quarter, so plus 25 more cents, it'll give me how much? Right, 75 cents. And I think you can see where we're going with this. If I add one more quarter, that's going to get me to 100 cents. Okay, that's part 1 of this problem, but I need to add up everything that I put over the arrows so I know how much I added to 24 to get to 100. So I can use my same 25, 50, 75, 100. I can use the same thing to help me add back. 25, 50, 75 plus one more penny would be how much? 76. So I'm going to start like this. 24 cents plus 76 cents equals 100 cents or $1. Do you see that? So my question was, how much more money does he need to make? Here's my picture. That's the draw. Here's my equation. But you know Miss Pridmore likes for you to write an answer statement because you're going to need to do that when you get in older grades. So we're going to take every word from the question. Here's Richie. And I use this bottom line to write on because it's easier than flipping the page. So Richie need more money? No, he needs a. But we can take the word need from the question and add an S. Richie needs how much more cents? 76. Whoop, that is a C, not a 6, sillies. 76 more cents. Now the word cents I didn't take from the question. I could have written it like this. Richie needs 70. Oh my goodness, I did it again. Yeah. 76 cents more. I could have just used the cent sign. Okay? Well, that's your application problem, guys. Great job.